Hey there, cryptocurrency members. This is Marquise Trill. This is Cryptocurrency Members. You guys can follow us on Twitter at CCMEMBERS. You can follow us also on Instagram at Cryptocurrency Members. You can also visit our website at www.cryptocurrencymember.com. Today we're going to go over moving averages, okay? We're going to go over moving averages on convergence and divergence for cryptocurrency trading. So first thing I'm going to do is go into TradingView. All right, that's where we get to store all our data. We're going to go to indicators at the top here. I'm going to click on indicators. I'm going to go to the space bar. I'm going to press MACD. I'm going to click on the first one right here, built in. I'm also going to favorite that because we're going to use that a lot, especially with the best times to buy. So we're going to use our MACD indicator. I'm going to exit out of here. Now our MACD indicator has popped up. Now you see I also have my RSI. I use those together to make decisions on whether I should buy or sell, especially when day trading. All right, I'm going to go to settings. All right, you have to set it if it's not already set. Basically, I'm going to click on the format, go to settings. I want to have my fast length on 12. All right, my slow length on 26 and my signal smoothing at 9. All right, these are indicators. Day indicators, all right? 12 days, 26 days, 9 days, all right? And then the MACD is going to use this indicator and give us our price action, all right? Now, we're using this for BTC. You can use this for any cryptocurrency, especially on Binance. It's great to use, especially with the RSI. I use this all the time, all right? Now, the blue line, the red line, and the pink. All right, as you guys can see, the blue line right here, that's the 12-day. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see up there. I'm gonna make this smaller so you guys can see exactly what's going on. All right, the blue line is the 12-day on the moving average. The red line is the 26-day on the moving average. All right, and you guys see these pink lines right here. All right, those bars are indicators basically giving you the distance between the red and the blue lines. All right, so as you can see, this downtrend. Let me click on my brush. All right, so you can see this downtrend right here. So the pink bars, the distance will have you at a downtrend, and when it's an uptrend, the bars will be above at the top, like such. All right, now I'm going to circle all the MACD crossovers. This is the indicator, or my indicator, that I use when I want to buy in on a cryptocurrency. All right, and when I want to sell on a cryptocurrency. It's very simple. I think everybody should use it. It's a great indicator as long with the RSI, and you'll win every single time. Okay, now you have a crossover. I'm going to circle all the crossovers. You have a crossover here. You have a crossover there. Here's a cross. All right. Here's another cross. Here's another cross. Here's a cross. And we currently have no cross right now. So there are currently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crosses. Okay. So basically what the crosses tell you is when the blue line crosses the red line from above, okay, like such, this indicator here, when the blue line crosses the red line from above, that means that this coin or this token is overbought and a downtrend is coming, like such, what just happened here. Now, when it's below and the red line crosses above the blue line, that gives you the option or the indicator on when the surge is about to happen, like here. Okay. Here's one right here. Now, if we zoom in right now to where we currently are today, all right, and we look at the MACD indicator, our moving average, we can see that, hey, the blue is above the red, all right, and it's coming down, all right, it's coming down. It's about to cross over the red. So what does that indicator tell you? It tells you to what? sell. Because what? A downtrend is coming. Now, the crossover hasn't happened yet, but it's going to. Okay? So if you want to go ahead and sell, just basically short it really quick, you can go ahead and sell now. All right? But if you want to wait till the cross, if you want confirmation, okay, you have to wait a few days, and you're going to get your confirmation. And once that confirmation comes, once these two signal lines cross, you're going to sell. Okay? And wait for the next cross again. Now, in between all of this, if we zoom back out, you'll see all the indicators. All right? Here's the blue line crossing above the red. All right. There's the surge. All right, here's your blue line above. The blue line is above right here. And it goes under and crosses over the red. And what happened there? A downtrend. All right. Now, here comes the blue from up under. Right here. Here comes the uptrend. Okay, it's very simple, very easy to read. All right, guys. This is the MACD. This is how you read the crossovers. I gave you guys the settings and days and the moving average. I explained everything that is part of this indicator. All right. The blue line represent what? 12 days. What does the red line represent? 26. What does the pink bar represent? What does the pink bars represent? The distance. The distance. All right. Now, if you guys want to use this with the RSI, cool. Let's bring it on in. Remember, I have the RSI on what? 10. Most people have it on 12, but I like to shorten because most people in the market short. All right. Now, if I'm looking at the RSI, look, it's oversold. It's above 70 right here. Bitcoin is above 70. Oversold. Way oversold. Okay. It reached a high of 92 right here. It reached a high of 92. You know that's oversold, guys. So you know that the downtrend is coming. And it's coming now. Currently at the 70 mark. Probably get at the 60 or the 50 before we start to see a little sideways movement. But for right now, we're currently in the downtrend. And once this gets in between the 60 mark, I believe that's when these two lines will cross and we'll see more downtrend. All right. This is how you read the MACD. All right. What does MACD stand for, ladies and gentlemen? Moving average on the convergence and what? Divergence. All right. Moving average convergence and divergence. This is another indicator that I use using the best times to buy on how I buy and sell cryptocurrencies using Binance, KuCoin, no matter what you use, okay? Great indicators. I think everybody should use this. I have my MACD, I have my RSI, I have my best times to buy. You guys have the video and how to read the RSI. So, I mean, it's very simple. Buy and sell. If you're a day trader, buy and sell. If you're swing trading, it's even way easier, okay? You just have to change your settings on your MACD to different days, longer days, all right? So, I'm Marquise Trill. You guys can follow me on Instagram at Marquise Trill. You also can follow me on Twitter at 6 billion people. This is the MACD convergence and divergence video. Have a great day. If you have any questions, make sure you guys write on the Telegram group. All right. Make sure you guys write underneath this video on the Patreon and have a great day.